What's up guys, and it's already here, the first look of the Samsung Galaxy S21. This is by far the fastest first look we ever got of a Samsung flagship phone, which does kinda confirm that Samsung is indeed planning on launching the S21 series in the month of January 2021, about 1.5 months earlier than usual. What you're looking at right now is the base Samsung Galaxy S21 model. There will be a S21 Plus and S21 Ultra. Hopefully we're gonna see them in the coming days, but yeah. First of all, there's nothing groundbreaking with the S21 model. As you can see, the punch hole is still there. It's probably the same size as the one we have seen on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the S20 family. There's definitely a downgrade compared to the last year's Galaxy S20 because, as we have talked earlier, the S21 is going to be that affordable flagship, which is why Samsung is cutting some corners. If you pay attention to the side bezels, the S21 is rocking a flat AMOLED display. I know some people will not be liking this change, but I personally prefer flat displays, and honestly, I still think it's a very beautiful design. If you look at the chain, it's still very minimal. Now we also have a brand new camera design on the back, and honestly, this feels a lot better than the Samsung Galaxy S20 family from last year. Instead of a black camera bump like we have seen in the last year Galaxy S20 series, this one has a very clean implementation. You can see it is color coordinated, so this gray model has this dark grayish kind of tint to this camera bump. The camera rings are also color coordinated, which is something that Samsung introduced for the first time with the Galaxy Note 20 series, so this definitely gives a more of a premium touch. As for the buttons on the phone, we have the power and volume rocker towards the right hand side. Also, the flash is not on the bump, it is on the back side of the phone, which is also kind of interesting. Now again, there will be mixed opinions on this, but the Galaxy S21 is going to be that affordable flagship phone. I talked about this in numerous videos already, so I don't think it should be very surprising for most people. But let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Again, a solid flagship. There will be a Galaxy S21 Plus and the S21 Ultra. I'm pretty sure the S21 Ultra will have a lot more flagship elements to it. It might have a bezel-less curvy display. Also, it's gonna have the bright HM2 sensor, so I'm really excited to see what kind of camera bump design we'll see on the Ultra model this time around. And perhaps for the first time, we might actually see S Pen coming to a Samsung Galaxy S flagship phone. So yeah, this is your first look at the Samsung Galaxy S21 coming most likely in the month of January, so that Samsung can announce the real flagship lineup, which is going to be the Z lineup, the Z Flip 2, the Z Fold 3. There's definitely going to be a lot more surprises. As always, be sure to subscribe for daily tech videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.